Hi, my name is Jagdish. So today in this video tutorial we will learn how to set up our Windows PC for Laravel development. So alright, so I do assume you know what is Laravel. So it's a PHP framework created by Taylor Otwell. So alright, so before what I used to do is I used to install WAMP and then I used to set up VBOS and all those things manually. Now I came across this software called as Laragon. So what this Laragon does is, it will allow you to quickly create a Laravel application, and then it will also set up a database for you, and also it will create a virtual host as well. So go to this laragon.org and then click on download Laragon. So once you click on download Laragon, so download WAMP version of Laragon. So since I already have installed Laragon, so I'm going to show you how that works. So alright. So once you install, I think after the setup is complete, it will open up a Laragon window like this. So in this window you will find start all, web, database, terminal and root. So let's go through each one of them individually. So what is start all? So basically now if you go to local host, now you don't have any servers running, so we can't reach this page. So when you click on start all, so this is going to start Apache or Nginx, whatever the server that you choose, and then it will also run MySQL server. So now if I go and then click refresh, so it's there. So we landed at a Laragon homepage. So alright, so now let's see how quickly we can create, uh, Laravel application. So before that, I just wanted to walk you through all these things. So when you click on web, so it'll open up localhost on your default browser. So next comes to database. So this Laragon also comes with ADSQL. So if you click OK, now you see that you know you do have uh, database tools ADSQL, right? Yeah. So and also terminal. So this comes with CMDR terminal. So you can say ls. Actually, you can use Unix style commands into this, but my setup is different. So you do have a root. So when you click on root, it's going to open up all your root folders. So alright. So now whenever you want to quickly create a project, so just right click on this window and then you will see Laragon, right, and then you will see www where it will display all the applications available in your localhost. And then this is for Nginx, ngrok, where you can share your application with other people via tunnels and other things. So yeah, you can check more information in Google ngrok. So quick create, so when you go to this quick create, you will see lots of options. So you can create a WordPress, Joomla, PrestaShop, Drupal, Laravel. So we are more interested in Laravel. So when you click on Laravel, so it's gonna ask you for a name. Alright, so I'm gonna give a name. See, awesome project we're gonna create. So click OK. Now this will open up a command prompt and then it will start installing Laravel application. Alright, so I'll come back once it is done. So you see almost like installing Laravel 5.4.3 version, and it is copying your env file from env.example. So, so alright, now that we have created our Laravel application, did you notice not only created Laravel application but also it changed the current working directory to that newly created project? Awesome, right? So and also it created a pretty URL for that. So how do we used to run Laravel application? Basically we used to do PHP artisan serve and then it's gonna serve in localhost 8000, but you don't need to do it anymore since Laragon automatically creates virtual host. We can now open our browser directly and then click on awesome.dev. So that we have our Laravel application. And also now if you open your database and then refresh, So you will notice that we do have a awesome database also created for us. Alright, so that's it. Thank you.